In this video, we will see how to configure Preference Center. Preference Center in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights journeys allow you to provide customers with branded experience so that they can sign up for communication and fine-tune their preferences to ensure they receive the right communications. So out of the box, Microsoft provides you one preference center, which is the default one. So if we open compliance profile here, this is the default preference center that we can edit and include our branding. So I will click the preference center. I will edit it because it's live. So I will edit the live content. So here you can add and remove the topics, the purpose, you can add a little bit of branding, you can update the content if you want. So let's have a look and include a couple of topics that I have previously created. So I want to include few commercial topics here. So let's go back to the elements on the right hand side. Here you can see purpose and topic. So let's click topic, click here and add council monthly newsletter. So we can create this topic here and we can also type in, I agree to receive council monthly newsletter. Save and we can drag it to the bottom here. We can also include another topic, which is council meeting. I agree to receive council meeting notes. And let's add one more topic, which is Council Budget 26-27. I agree to receive Council Budget 2026-2027 notes. So we will drag this down. And we will drag this down as well. You can simply select this box here and drag it down here. As you can see, we have configured a couple of topics here. And if we go back to the elements, we can also include purpose if we want to. We'll leave that for the time being. And if I scroll down, we can also include text message if you want to write any of the text here. So for example, let's add a text box here and we can write, please subscribe or unsubscribe to below, full stop. Okay. We can go back to the elements. We can also include images as well. So let's add Meadow Hill Council logo. Let's add it here. So you can add the image from your computer, from the library, or from any of the website. In this case, let's browse the library. I have already populated a couple of images here, so I will pick Meadow Hill logo. Microsoft Dynamics 365 provides you with the asset library where you can store the images and your branding. Right, so we have picked the images as well. Let's save it. Let's edit the preference center again by clicking the top right edit button. Continue. Let's have a look what are the other options we have. So there is a submit button as well, but on the form, that submit button is already added, so I wouldn't add. You can also add the divider. Let's collapse consent. So if you want to create the preference center from scratch, you have a couple of options here to include layout. And if you have an HTML code for your branded preference center, you can also copy paste the HTML. And the way you would do it, you will click HTML link here, and below you can see all the code. So you will press Control A so that you can delete it, and then you can paste your HTML file here and save it. I'll close it for the time being because I'm not including the HTML file. So in this way, you can edit the preference center. I will delete this line because I just wanted to show you how a text message can be created. In the preference center, you can also include a thank you note and an error notification when someone submits this form. As soon as someone submits this form, they will click this submit button, and if it is submitted successfully, they will receive a thank you message that you can change on the right hand side. If in case there is an error in the form or the internet is down, they would receive this error notification. You can access this from form settings beside the elements. You can save the form, and you can have a look in the preview and test section that how it would actually render. Because this is responsive, so you can have a look on the right hand side. There are a couple of platforms that you can see and check. That's the beauty of Dynamics 365.